You can read any of the books in the world, you will understand, except your book. I know it. That's why we are here. To find an easy way, how to read the book, how to turn the pages. What is written here in this book, inner book? Exactly, we are here. I am here to give you certain guidance. That's all I can do. How to read your book. I am not here to describe about Vedas and Vedantas and all kind of scriptures. I am not much interested on them. I am certainly interested in your book. I have certain clues how to read the book. That I can help you. I helped thousands of people in this last 23 years how to read the book, self-book. Many people are successful in reading their own book. That is your Vedanta. That is your Upanishads. If you read your own book and experience out of that book, you may call it is Amit Upanishad. If Daniel reads his own book, he can write Daniel Upanishad. This is how all Upanishads came. People say there are 108 Upanishads and more, of course. Many of them they gone. We have not saved them. All destroyed. Only few Upanishads are available today. What are they? For example, Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is also Upanishad. Many people, they don't know. Bhagavad Gita is Bhagavad Gita, it's not Upanishad. It is Upanishad. One of the Upanishads. What is that? Bhagavad Gita is one of the Upanishads because it is a dialogue between Bhagavan Krishna and Arjuna. Krishna was helping throughout the chapters how to read the book of Arjuna. Exactly. I interpret Bhagavad Gita in this way. If you really want to understand what is Bhagavad Gita, this is what it is. Krishna helped Arjuna to read Arjuna. Krishna, the teacher, the master, the guru, showed Arjuna how to read Arjuna. Whole 18 chapters of Bhagavad Gita is nothing but details of the book called Arjuna. Krishna doesn't require any of the chapters. He is already Bhagavan. He read his own books. Krishna appeared in front of Arjuna to help Arjuna to read the book of Arjuna. If you allow me to give another name for Bhagavad Gita, I can give the name like this, the book of Arjuna. People won't allow, I know that. That will be a great agitation if I put another name for the Bhagavad Gita. The right name is that the book of Arjuna, the result of the studying of the book of Arjuna. Throughout the process on the war field, Krishna helped Arjuna turn the page. The 18 chapters in Bhagavad Gita is not something away from Arjuna, it is inclusive.